Tiny apartment and running out of space? Yeah, this one's for you. In today's video, I'm showing you 20 new Amazon finds designed to maximize every inch of your home. From clever organizers that turn unused corners into storage, to smart space-saving furniture that folds, stacks, or neatly hides away when you don't need it. These are practical, compact upgrades that make a real difference in small spaces. No overhyped stuff, just smart solutions. All the product links are in the description. Alright, let's go ahead and kick off the lineup with this 5-tier over-the-door hanging organizer. It instantly unlocks storage you didn't even realize you had. Instead of wasting back of door space, this anti-tilt design holds up to 44 pounds without wobbling. Perfect for shoes, cleaning supplies, snacks, or random clutter that usually floats around your room. Deep reinforced pockets keep items secure and upright, while breathable fabric prevents sagging over time. At just $18, this is a total steal and seriously a no-brainer upgrade. Right after that, this tabletop ironing board keeps laundry day low-key and stress-free. Let's see. This wall-mounted foldable design flips down smoothly when needed and disappears neatly when you're done using it. The built-in iron holder keeps everything together, so no more dragging bulky boards around the house. A heat-resistant surface handles daily pressing without damage. Perfect for dorms, apartments, or compact laundry rooms. This sturdy frame supports regular use without wobbling. At about $75, this smart setup saves space beautifully. Up next, this mop and broom holder keeps cleaning tools off your floor. This wall-mounted system features 5 secure grip slots and 6 additional hooks for maximum organized storage. Each rubberized grip holds up to 7.5 pounds firmly without slipping. Heavy-duty construction ensures durability in busy households. Perfect for garages, laundry rooms, closets, or utility spaces. Quick installation keeps setup straightforward. At around $20, this practical solution wraps everything up neatly and cleanly. Meanwhile, this corner bread box makes awkward counter space actually useful. This double-layer layout stores bread and snacks vertically instead of spreading across limited surfaces. The airtight seal helps maintain freshness longer, reducing waste and keeping food tasting better daily. Clear viewing panels let you check contents quickly without opening repeatedly. It even works under cabinets for extra dry storage flexibility. This sleek design looks clean and modern without overpowering your kitchen vibe. At roughly $60, this feels organized and efficient. Let's keep rolling with this hanging pants organizer that instantly levels up your closet game. Stacked jeans sliding everywhere? Not anymore. This rotatable design lets you swing each hanger out smoothly for easy, frustration-free access every morning. The 3-pack setup multiplies vertical space without crowding rods or creating cluttered chaos. Non-slip bars keep fabrics secure and wrinkle-free. Perfect for jeans, trousers, scarves, or even towels. This sturdy metal build holds weight confidently. At around $25, this closet hack feels efficient. Here's another smart upgrade. This sofa armrest tray that turns your couch into a mini workstation. This clip-on design hugs your armrest securely without tools or complicated setup steps. The 360-degree rotating phone holder keeps your screen positioned at eye level while relaxing comfortably. Snacks, remotes, drinks, or tablets stay organized within arm's reach. A sturdy surface prevents wobbling during use. Perfect for small living rooms where side tables just won't fit. At about $40, this delivers high convenience effortlessly. Moving forward, this stackable closet storage basket set brings serious order to messy wardrobes. This foldable design lets you stack vertically or use individually depending on your space and layout needs. Clothes, linens, accessories, or handbags finally get a clearly defined home. The breathable mesh frame prevents musty buildup while maintaining strong structure. Easy pull handles make access smooth and simple. When not needed, each basket folds flat quickly. At roughly $45 for 5, this keeps everything neat affordably. Now this one's clever. This 360-degree rotating 6-tier bookshelf that spins for easy access. Instead of bulky shelves eating valuable floor space, this slim vertical tower builds upward efficiently. Smooth rotation keeps books, decor pieces, plants, or collectibles within reach without constant rearranging. Open shelving maintains visibility from every angle. Bonus? It sits on wheels for effortless repositioning around your room. Perfect for unused corners needing personality. At around $120, this functional statement piece looks modern and practical. Shifting gears, this jewelry mirror cabinet blends storage and style effortlessly. This full-length mirror opens to reveal organized compartments for rings, necklaces, bracelets, and beauty essentials. Built-in LED lighting brightens accessories clearly, making selection easier and more glamorous daily. A lockable door adds privacy and security for valuables. Wall-mounted structure saves floor space completely while maximizing vertical storage. Soft interior lining protects delicate pieces. At about $130, this feels chic, practical, and like a serious bedroom upgrade. And hey, all these goodies are lined up in the description below. Grab your favorites and start transforming your home today. Now on the tech side, this large cord organizer box hides messy cables like a pro. Ugh, tangled power strips under your desk. Not cute. This spacious interior conceals wires neatly while preventing dust buildup and accidental unplugging issues. A ventilated design reduces overheating risk and promotes safer airflow around electronics. Durable construction keeps everything securely contained. Perfect for offices, entertainment centers, or gaming setups needing a cleaner look. At around $25, this instantly upgrades visual organization. Back in the kitchen, this drawer cutlery organizer tray keeps slim drawers functional. This divided layout neatly separates spoons, forks, knives, and small utensils without wasting precious storage space. Perfect for shallow drawers where bulky trays simply won't fit properly. Durable, impact-resistant plastic withstands daily sliding and repeated use easily. Non-slip base prevents shifting during opening and closing. Cleaning stays quick with a smooth surface finish. At roughly $18, this instantly improves kitchen organization affordably. Keeping cabinets tidy, this pan organizer rack stops cookware chaos instantly. This adjustable divider system customizes spacing for pans, lids, baking sheets, or cutting boards easily. No more loud clanging stacks every time you reach for cookware. Heavy-duty metal construction supports weight without bending or tipping over. Flexible layout adapts to different cabinet sizes or countertop setups. Rubber feet prevent slipping during use. At around $30, this feels like an overdue but essential kitchen upgrade. For tighter cabinets, this pull-out spice rack maximizes narrow gaps beautifully. This vertical metal system slides smoothly on sturdy rails, revealing neatly aligned spices all at once. No more digging blindly into dark shelves searching for one jar. The 2-pack setup doubles organization across multiple cabinets instantly. Slim yet durable construction handles daily movement confidently. Quick installation keeps setup simple. At about $38, this streamlined organizer makes compact kitchens feel thoughtfully designed. In the laundry zone, this tall tilt-out storage cabinet hides clutter effortlessly. This 53-inch vertical design conceals a removable basket behind a sleek wooden exterior frame. Adjustable interior shelves organize detergents, fabric softeners, and supplies efficiently. The tilt mechanism keeps laundry discreet while remaining easy to access. Compact footprint works perfectly in narrow bathrooms or tight laundry corners. Solid construction feels stable and premium. At roughly $160, this brings upscale organization to busy homes. At the sink, this triangle roll-up dish drying rack saves counter space instantly. This silicone-coated stainless steel frame rests neatly over corners, transforming unused sink areas into functional drying zones. Heat-resistant materials safely handle hot pots and pans without warping or damage. Open slats promote airflow for faster drying. When finished, it rolls up compactly for simple storage. Non-slip edges keep placement secure. At around $25, this makes everyday cleanup easier. Beside your couch or bed, this C-shaped side table slides right where you need it. This height-adjustable surface glides smoothly on wheels for flexible positioning anywhere. Snacks, laptops, coffee mugs, or books stay supported comfortably. Lower storage shelves hold essentials neatly without cluttering floors. Slim frame fits under sofas or beds effortlessly. Durable materials maintain stability during daily use. Perfect for small apartments or studios. At about $55, this delivers practical versatility stylishly. Inside cabinets or on counters, this pine wood turntable organizer keeps items visible. Smooth 360-degree rotation eliminates blind spots instantly, so nothing gets forgotten at the back. Canned goods, sauces, condiments, or skincare products stay within comfortable reach. Raised edges prevent slipping while spinning quickly. Solid pine wood construction feels sturdy and natural. Compact footprint fits shelves easily. At roughly $34, this simple rotating platform boosts organization without overwhelming your space.
For extra bedside storage, this wooden sofa side table adds vintage charm.
This slim profile fits narrow spaces perfectly beside beds or couches. 2 spacious drawers keep remotes, chargers, notebooks, or personal items tucked away discreetly. Smooth drawer slides ensure effortless access daily. Solid wooden frame feels durable and timeless. Flat top surface supports lamps or decor beautifully. Perfect as a nightstand or accent piece. At around $85, this blends storage with elegance. Finally, last but not least, this 2-tier pull-out cabinet organizer fixes chaos fast. Smooth glide tracks extend fully outwards, so reaching cleaning supplies becomes effortless and frustration-free. 2 spacious tiers separate bottles, sprays, and tools vertically for better visibility. Sturdy metal framing supports heavier items confidently. Adjustable sizing fits most standard cabinets easily. Simple installation avoids complicated tools. At about $28, this practical organizer transforms cramped under-sink areas quickly. That's a wrap on 20 new Amazon finds designed to maximize every inch of your home and keep clutter under control. From clever corner organizers to smart space-saving furniture, these essentials help you create a cleaner, calmer, more functional space. Check the links in the description for details and prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite find. See you in the next one!